Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of conformational analysis of propane and a conformational analysis of alkane, today we will see conformational analysis of propane. In previous video, we have seen conformational analysis of ethane and how there is a free rotation of carbon-carbon single bond. In case of ethane, energy barrier was 3 kilocalorie. What is a torsional energy? Energy required for free rotation of carbon-carbon single bond, that energy is said to be torsional energy. In case of ethane, there is a much more free rotation in case of carbon-carbon single bond because energy was 3 kilocalorie. Today, we have to see what is the potential energy barrier for free rotation of carbon-carbon single bond in propane. The link of first video I will put in description box. You can watch it and watch this video till the end so you can understand this. This is the structural formula propane. A CH3, CH2, CH3. Here we have to select any two carbon atoms. हमें दो कार्बन सेलेक्ट करने for free rotation of carbon-carbon single bond. Here I have taken these two carbon atoms, carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. So convert this structural formula into Sohor's projection formula. You are well familiar with this. You know how to convert this. Take these two carbon atoms, ये दो carbon. Here it is a carbon-carbon single bond. Take inclined carbon-carbon single bond like this. On first carbon there are 3 hydrogen atoms are there. 1, 2, 3. On backside carbon atom and on second carbon atom 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 methyl group is there. So here these 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 methyl. This is like a saw of horse. That is why this projection formula is said to be Sohor's projection formula. अगर position of observer is here, यहाँ पे observer है. I am watching this structure from here. Only front side carbon will be visible to this observer. Front side carbon only. ये back side carbon नहीं दिखेगा इसे, because this carbon is invisible to this observer because this carbon is exactly behind to this front side carbon atom. And this second carbon is invisible to this observer. ये second carbon नहीं दिखेगा. Front side carbon, yes. Now we have to convert this Sohor's projection formula into Newman projection formula. This is the Newman projection formula. Here it is the front side carbon. So this front side carbon as it is, like this. So here it is carbon. On this carbon 3 hydrogen atoms. Now, since second carbon is invisible to this observer, second carbon invisible है observer के लिए, then how to show? So second carbon by what? Circle. ये circle क्या indicate करता है? ये backside carbon indicate करता है. दिखाना तो पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये second carbon exactly behind to front side carbon atom. Then how to show? So by using circle we can show it. ये circle है. On second carbon 1 methyl, a methyl exactly behind to carbon hydrogen single bond. So here you can show like this, either to this side or this side. You can show at any side. This carbon hydrogen exactly behind to this carbon hydrogen. So here it is hydrogen. Similarly, this hydrogen exactly behind to this hydrogen and this hydrogen. So this conformation is said to be Newman projection formula. This one is a Sohor's projection formula. We have to convert Sohor's projection formula into Newman projection formula. Now, we have seen what is the dihedral angle. Angle between two non-bonded atoms or group of atoms, or angle between two planes. See here angle यहाँ पे एंगल कितना है, थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री है। एंगल बिटवीन दीज टू प्लेन्स, कार्बन हाइड्रोजन कार्बन कार्बन, एग्जैक्ट ओवरलैपिंग है। So angle theta is equal to 0. And remember, when a dihedral angle is 0, that conformation is said to be eclipsed. इसे हम eclipsed कहेंगे. This is also eclipsed Savar's. This is eclipsed Newman projection formula. Now we have to rotate carbon-carbon single bond. Free rotation. We have to check the free rotation of carbon-carbon single bond. What is the energy barrier for this? See here, I have taken this eclipsed conformation here. This is the front side carbon atom. Circle indicates back side carbon atom. On back side carbon atom, one methyl and two hydrogen atoms. And we know that methyl is little bulkier than hydrogen. Then we have to check the energy barrier for this. We have to find out torsional energy. Torsional energy and energy required for free rotation of carbon-carbon single bond. So यहाँ पे theta 0 यानी this conformation is said to be eclipsed. And remember, potential energy for this 3.3 kilocalorie and a little higher than ethane. And here also much more free rotation is there compared to ethane. In ethane, energy barrier was 3.0 kilocalorie. Here difference is about only 0.3 kilocalorie. Though here one bulky group is there, but only one bulky group is there. So energy barrier and torsional energy is a 3.3 calorie. Isn't it? So here in between this carbon hydrogen carbon carbon यहाँ पे whatever जो interaction होता है यहाँ पे, so this interaction is said to be torsional strain. Torsional strain यानी we can say van der Waals repulsion, and due to this repulsion energy is 3.3 kilocalorie. Now we have to rotate carbon carbon single bond through 60 degree by keeping front carbon fix. जो फ्रंट कार्बन है इसे फिक्स रखकर कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड को रोटेट करना है, आइदर इन क्लॉकवाइज और इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सपोज रोटेशन ऑफ दिस कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड इन क्लॉकवाइज 60 degree. Here it is 60 degree rotation. So this methyl group will be here. It will be here. Hydrogen here. Second hydrogen will be here. And this angle, dihedral angle between non-bonded, this is a non-bonded hydrogen and methyl. And angle between these two planes is theta is equal to 60 degree. Remember, this conformation is said to be staggered in a at different level. This is staggered. This is staggered. This conformation is said to be staggered. Here theta and dihedral angle is equal to 60 degree. If we compare energy, here energy is 3.3 kilocalorie, here energy is 0 kilocalorie. And it is more stable. There is no interaction at all. So here energy is equal to 0 kilocalorie. Again, next rotation through carbon, again through 60 degree. And again we have to rotate this carbon-carbon single bond another 60 degree. अब ये मिथिल ग्रुप यहाँ पे आएगा, ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ जाएगा और ये हाइड्रोजन इसके पीछे जाएगा. And exactly this structure. See here. Now this angle, this a dihedral angle, and an angle between this carbon hydrogen and a front side carbon hydrogen and this carbon carbon single bond, and an angle between these two planes is now 120. यहाँ पे 0, a rotation through 60 degree, and it is 60 degree. Again another 60 degree, it is 120 degree. ये eclipsed है, exact overlapping methyl hydrogen. यहाँ पे भी torsional strain होगा, van der Waals repulsion. ये unstable है. So here energy 3.3 kilocalorie. Now again rotation of carbon carbon single bond through another 60 degree. Now this methyl group will be here, hydrogen will be here, this hydrogen will be here. So here theta is equal to, and this dihedral angle is what, 180 degree. So this conformation is said to be staggered. This is staggered conformation. Is stable है. Here potential energy is equal to 0, and here 0 kilocalorie. Again rotation of carbon carbon single bond through another 60 degree, like this. Now this methyl group will be here, hydrogen will be here, और ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे आएगा. यानी this structure, this is eclipsed, ये eclipsed है. Here theta is equal to 240 degree, or potential energy here 3.3 kilocalorie. ये अनस्टेबल है बिकॉज यहाँ पे टॉर्सनल स्ट्रेन आ रहा है मिथिल और हाइड्रोजन. मिथिल इज मोर बल्कियर देन हाइड्रोजन. सो यहाँ पे टॉर्सनल स्ट्रेन है, वंडरवॉल्स रिपल्शन है. सो हियर 3.3 किलो कैलोरी इक्लिप्स्ड. अगेन रोटेशन थ्रू अनदर 60 डिग्री. अब ये मिथिल ग्रुप यहाँ पे आएगा, ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे आएगा, एंड दिस वन हियर थीटा इज इक्वल टू यानी दिस डायहेड्रल एंगल काउंट फ्रॉम दिस साइड ओनली, इट इज 300 डिग्री. सो दिस इज staggered. This conformation is staggered, and energy is what? 0 kilocalorie. यहाँ पे energy 0 kilocalorie because there is no van der Waals repulsion, there is no torsional strain. यहाँ पे torsional strain नहीं है. Again rotation of carbon single bond through another 60 degree. यानी ये total angle हुआ 360 degree. यानी we have rotated carbon single bond through 360 degree. Or the structure is eclipsed, and we know that eclipsed conformation energy 3.3 kilocalorie. A unstable है. If we compare eclipsed conformation and staggered conformation is more stable than eclipsed, क्योंकि staggered में torsional strain नहीं है, van der Waals repulsion नहीं है. So there is a free rotation, much more free rotation in case of propane. Because here potential energy barrier is only 3.3 kilocalorie. In case of ethane, 3 kilocalorie. It is a little more. That is, difference is about only 0.3 kilocalorie. Now, energy profile diagram of this. How to draw energy profile diagram? So from that we can find out energy barrier and a graphical representation of this energy profile diagram. This is very interesting. Here we have to study free rotation of carbon single bond. On x-axis I will take potential energy. Here it is a potential energy. And here I will take dihedral angle. Here it is 0 degree. Here it is 60 degree. Here it is 120 degree. Here it is 180 degree. Here it is 240 degree. Here it is 300 degree. And here it is 360 degree. Suppose your energy is 0 kilocalorie. I will take here little in the upper side. Here it is 0 kilocalorie, and here energy, here I will take 3.3 kilocalorie. 3 kilocalorie. Now when dihedral angle is 0, what is conformation? Eclipsed. And in case of eclipsed conformation, what is potential energy? 3.3. यानी यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर आएगा eclipsed. H. Here it is CH3, H और H. यानी ये पॉइंट यहां पे आएगा. When theta is equal to 60 degree, conformation is staggered, and in case of staggered, potential energy 0. यहां पे आएगा ये पॉइंट. यहां पे स्ट्रक्चर क्या हुआ? ये staggered. फ्रंट साइड कार्बन फिक्स. ये मिथिल ग्रुप यहां पे आएगा like this. यानी we have to connect these 2 points like this. When theta in a dihedral angle is 120 degree, then conformation is again eclipsed like this. Show it properly. यहां पे आएगा. So यहां पे स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? फ्रंट साइड कार्बन एज इट इज, ए मिथिल ग्रुप अब यहां पे आएगा, हाइड्रोजन here theta is equal to 120 degree, so potential energy 3.3. when theta is equal to 180, again it will be staggered. energy 0 kilocalorie. When 240, it will be eclipsed. Again energy will be increased. यहाँ पे 240. So यहाँ पे eclipsed. When theta is equal to 300, again it is staggered. And when it is theta is 360, here it is eclipsed. This is the energy profile diagram. When theta is equal to 0 degree, it will be eclipsed. When 60, it is staggered. This is 60 degree. यहाँ पे A 120 degree, यानी eclipsed. 180 degree, confirmation will be what? Staggered. Here theta is equal to 180 degree. When it is 240, confirmation will be eclipsed. अभी मिथिल ग्रुप यहां आएगा, हाइड्रोजन यहां पे, यानी दिस थीटा इज इक्वल टू 240. जब डायहेड्रल एंगल 300 होगा तो कंफर्मेशन इट विल बी स्टैगर्ड. ये फ्रंट साइड कार्बन, ये मिथिल ग्रुप यहां पे, ये हाइड्रोजन बाकी यहां. नाउ 360 कंफर्मेशन विल बी व्हाट? ये फ्रंट साइड कार्बन, ये यहां पे आएगा एंड इक्लिप्स्ड लाइक दिस. So what is the energy difference between what? Eclipsed and staggered. So here it is 0 kilocalorie and here it is 3.3 kilocalorie. What is energy difference? 3.3 kilocalorie. In a 3.3 kilocalorie, this is the energy barrier for free rotation in case of propane, free rotation of carbon-carbon single bond in propane. So what is conclusion? Staggered conformation of propane is more stable than eclipsed conformation. If any doubt, put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. Thank you.